Hey, what's up, friends, family, followers, fellow growers? How y'all doing out there? Wanted to give y'all a quick tip here today. I wanted to show you how I was going to take an empty standard water bottle and turn it into a nutrient-packed seedling starter kit for hydroponics. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the how-to coming up next. All right, guys, so now that we're in a little bit easier of a position, I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So ultimately what we're wanting to do here is we want to take this empty water bottle and we want to cut the top of it off. As you can see right here on the baseline of this actual bottle, right before it gets to the most narrowest point, that's where we're going to actually want to cut it off. So here's an example of one that I've already done, right? So I've cut it off right there. All right, guys, now that we have the plant placed in the base of the bottle and we've added the water, one thing I wanted to make a note of, make sure when you guys fill the water line with your nutrients, make sure it's just above that basket. That's gonna make sure that the roots actually grow stronger and bushier to obviously help that plant grow that much more flourishing. Again, guys, just another quick tip here at I Grow Inside. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, follow, share. It's always much love. Have fun growing. We appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Much love. Peace.